All right, I'm just gonna set up my Aeropress to make some... I'm not exaggerating here. This is really hard to... Okay, do you have this problem with your Aeropress? Is it getting really hard to use the press part of your Aeropress? It might be time to replace your seal, and we're gonna show you how today on FrenchPressCoffee.com. Hey everyone, I'm Brian with FrenchPressCoffee.com. Thanks for joining us in our virtual coffee shop. And this is going to be a quick one today, but it's something I think is really important. Now, everyone out there in TV land knows how much I love the Aeropress. It's one of my favorite ways to make coffee. I travel a lot, and I really don't like hotel room coffee. I just don't. I like to make my own coffee, and the Aeropress is an excellent way to be able to do that when you're on the go. But at home, it makes some awesome coffee as well. But as you saw in the intro, as time goes on, the seal on the Aeropress gets, it starts to get a little bit overused. It starts to dry out a little bit. It gets sticky. And even if you're keeping it clean, you can still run into a situation where it just becomes more and more difficult to press down. That can make it a bit tough to make a good cup of coffee. I've been doing one sometimes going like this and a couple slide away. It's not fun. So there are a couple ways that you can fix this. Now, the first one is that you want to keep your Aeropress clean, you want to maintain it, and if you do that, you're going to extend the life of that seal. But over time, and with a lot of coffee made, this starts to wear down a little bit. So we're going to propose to you that a great thing to do is just head over to FrenchPressCoffee.com, get yourself a new rubber seal for your Aeropress. This is very inexpensive. Check it out in the link in the description of this video. And as you can see, this one is nice and shiny and brand new. I can tell you immediately, this just feels a lot better. It's much smoother. It's not sticky. The one that I have here on my very well-used Aeropress, it's sticky. My fingers, it's hard to move across there. And the other thing you're going to notice is that as you're using it, if you're starting to find that you're getting leakage and maybe you're not actually getting the best cup of coffee, that's when it's definitely time to replace that seal. So let's show you how. First, of course, get your new seal from FrenchPressCoffee.com. Next, you just want to go ahead and remove the old seal. Just pull it away, and you can see this one's been used quite a lot. Now, I can take the seal off, and I can clean it, and I can maintain it, but let's just face it, with time, it's going to get worn down. So take that one off, and then of course you can clean up your actual press on your Aeropress a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Take your new seal and just press it back on. Little bit of pressure, and there you go. And now you've got a brand new seal. The beauty of this is that now you don't have to buy an all-new Aeropress, and look at that. So the beauty of this is that you don't have to buy a whole new Aeropress. You might be at home using the Aeropress for a while and finding it's hard to do and going, well, all right, I'll just buy another one. Don't do that. Just get yourself a new seal. Go to FrenchPressCoffee.com. Use this video to show you how to put it back on there. Maybe get a couple just so that you have some extras. This will last for a lifetime as a result. Swap out that part. The Aeropress is awesome. One of my favorite ways to make coffee at home or on the road. And let's give you some bonus tips for maintaining your Aeropress and making sure it runs as well as possible. Disassemble the Aeropress after use and store it disassembled. Avoid cleaning it in the dishwasher. If you put it in the dishwasher, that's going to dry out that seal much more quickly as well. Completely dry it if possible. And avoid scrubbing with anything that could be abrasive. Don't use abrasive sponges. Definitely don't use steel wool or anything like that. And it's always good to remove the plunger and clean it every once in a while, as I was speaking to earlier in this video. So there you have it, everyone. That's how you can replace the plunger seal on your Aeropress from Aerobi. Again, I love the Aeropress. I know a lot of you folks out there do as well, so I hope that this helps to give you a consistently great cup of coffee from your Aeropress. If you have questions, comments, you want to know more, leave a comment down here in the comment section of this video, and as always, visit us at FrenchPressCoffee.com. I'm Brian. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.
Well, I hope you liked that highly caffeinated video, and if so, go ahead and give us a like, and please subscribe to our channel. And if you do, I'll give you a great coffee quote. So go ahead. I'll wait. I'm gonna eat one of these candies. They're pretty good. Go on. Oh, thank you so much. All right, well, now for your coffee quote. Don't laugh at the coffee. Someday you too will be old and weak.